this American dream. Yeah, I got my steel toes and my blue jeans, a handful of pills and some caffeine.
Alright, so back on this deck, I'm not welding it, I done did the welding, but we still gotta spray paint it so I can sell it, get more money, blah 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 blah. Yeah. As you can see, there's some stuff to cover up there. If we walk around to the other side, you can see I grinded all that down, all of that. You can see I already took the hood off. Arizona Iced Tea. This is not paid promotion. They do not sponsor me, although they should sponsor me, but they don't sponsor me. But they should. Not paid promotion. I'm not paid to say that. Really good drink, though. So, let's go ahead. Well, done got the hood off. Cover up the fenders. Whatever on the ground. And we'll get the spray painted. I don't know, guys. Also, before any of you guys get in the comments, oh, welders don't do mechanical. Well, this one does, okay? I don't make money off of YouTube. I gotta do mechanic work. And when you do mechanic work, you gotta do a lot of welding because people suck at welding and they try to fix it themselves and it don't work out too well, and you gotta go back and fix their mess ups. So this is how I make money, guys. Simple as that. So what I'm thinking is I'm just gonna hold a box over it while I spray paint, and yeah, so it doesn't get all over this beautiful yellow paint. Hopefully it works. I don't know. I don't paint a lot. I'm just kind of like sending it, seeing what happens. As Ricky Bobby would say, shake and bake. So let's do this. I have you guys on my paint can, so 1 second.
Lucky if I don't drag this bitch, it's just another day doing pipeline.
I should probably take this cover off. Let's do that real quick. That's It's not gonna fit. Do I have my 10? Oh, I do have my 10. Whoop-de-doo. That's a surprise. Yo, what? Hold on, wait a minute. It's not a 10, guys. It's not a 10. It's probably an 11. YouTube, this was done by professionals, okay? I am a trained professional at painting and mechanic work. I am certified. Don't worry, I'm certified. I'm also a certified welder, definitely. Don't doubt that, or else why would I be doing it? Okay, well, I missed the bolt position. Alright. If you're ever working on a mower, 9 times out of 10 these covers, they don't just pop right off. You gotta push it and then lift up. Okie dokie. Now that that's over with, we can now actually paint. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't paint a lot. But we're gonna try this. I don't know how well it's gonna work. Put that down there so I don't get paint on the concrete. Because it's not a fun day for anybody. So I think I'm just gonna do that. You guys better not yell at me for lack of paint prep, okay? Somebody painted this deck red after they welded it the first time, which I don't understand because it's not. It's a yellow and black mower. Why would you? I don't know. Guys, remember, if you have a grinder and paint, you can make any weld look good. It might not hold, but at least still look good. If you get good enough with the grinder and paint, obviously. Me, on the other hand, I don't need that, but, you know, we're just going to send it. I can't tell you. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. Like, and y'all are just my spectators. I guess it looks alright. I don't know. I'm not a painter, guys. If any of you guys paint that are watching this, tell me how I did, I guess. I don't know. I can take a little bit of insult. Yeah, I'm not good at this at all. Well, I don't know about it, guys. I don't know. Now I gotta go do the other side. We're just kind of, we're going. Yeah. Y'all are getting settled down. I'm gonna shut up now, so y'all can just laugh at me while I try and paint. Because this is probably pretty hilarious for you guys that know what you're doing. I don't. So, pretty much we're just gonna do a time lapse here. She don't look too shabby now. Got it painted. I guess from there, just let it sit and dry, and might as well paint that mount too. Yeah, we'll do that. Hold on. I'm gonna just do this standing up. Ain't no biggie. Right towards the chrome bumper. Why not? Gotta make a little factor there. Boom. I don't know. Check it. I guess I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna edit a video now.